If you're like me and you wait to the last minute to pick up those Christmas gifts for that special someone in your life that loves reef aquariums, or maybe you're searching for that special gift for yourself, I mean, because why not? Well, this video is all about the top 5 most helpful reef aquarium gift ideas for Christmas this year. Coming in at number 1 on the list this year is Oceanbox Designs with its PolyRok. Now, Oceanbox Designs offers premium reefing solutions through innovation, and the PolyRok does not disappoint. This is an innovative take on a frag rack, which is 3D printed. It uses magnets to hold it into your aquarium, and the frag plugs themselves snap and lock into place, so your frags are not going to go anywhere. And on top of that, underneath the PolyRok, it is printed in a way that your beneficial bacteria can have a safe place to grow and populate in your tank. Next up is the plank from Avast Marine. Now, everyone can benefit from an automatic feeder. I mean, mine saves me time and it just makes things a whole lot easier. Now, the plank from Avast Marine, in my opinion, is the best automatic feeder on the market. It comes with a C-shape pump that keeps the water circulating and moving around in the feeding tube, so as the food walks the plank, see what I did there? Then it sinks down in the feeding tube and gets dispersed amongst your reef tank and feeds your entire reef. This can be set up on a timer, so it makes things a lot easier. Next up, one of my favorites is the random flow generator from Vivid Creative Aquatics. Now, the random flow generator is the perfect way to get random flow in your aquarium using your return lines. There's no moving parts and setup is a snap. Literally, it just snaps into place. Now, the random flow generator is 3D printed and it's completely reef safe. And the way it's designed allows the water to create a random flow pattern. Now, water flow is really important when it comes to keeping a reef aquarium, and the random flow generator is the perfect gift to creating that random flow for that special someone who loves aquariums. Now, coming in at number 4 is Printed Reef. Now, Printed Reef specializes in 3D printed products that are reef safe for your aquarium. And if you know someone who's looking to keep their corals safe, whether that's putting their coral frags on the sand or in the rock work, then Printed Reef has got you covered. They make products like the sand stands, rock holders, mushroom cages to keep your mushroom corals safe, and many other 3D printed reef safe products for your aquarium. Coming in at number 5 on the list is a product that I love to talk about. It's one of my personal favorites that I use on my reef aquarium, and that is Aquachar. Now, Aquachar is a biomedia that keeps your aquarium's water crystal clear, and it helps with things like pH, it helps with beneficial bacteria. This is the perfect gift idea for the aquarist that's looking for crystal clear water. Maybe there's some yellowing going on in their aquarium. Aquachar will take that right out and clarify the water. Now, the surface area on each piece of Aquachar helps attract the beneficial bacteria to it, and as they grow, they consume the nutrients in the tank, so it helps with things like phosphates as well. And there's so many benefits to Aquachar that I made a separate video covering the entire thing. So if you'd like to check that out, I'll leave the links in the description below for that. Now, don't click off the video just yet because I have a bonus gift idea for you. Now, if you know a reef enthusiast, or maybe you're that reef enthusiast who's struggling to find the perfect food for your reef aquarium, then look no further than Reef Nutrition. Reef Nutrition has a wide variety of foods, from mysis shrimp in their mysis feast to roe, which is a very popular option. They also have copepods as well, like the Tigger pods and Apex pods, which are the best on the market. So be sure to visit your local fish store and ask for Reef Nutrition, and check out this video here on how I raise my own copepods using Reef Nutrition. And have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. Happy reefing, and I'll see you in the next one.